Hey guys, back with the video. You can already tell by the title what this video is going to be. And yeah, so I'm going to review all of them, my toy guns. And guys, I'm going to be shooting a couple. I'm going to show you all my toy guns first. Starting off with the M16. This is a very good rifle. I got it from a friend. And he broke his barrel, so his dad had to put a tube on it. I was thinking about painting it green. And my little brother's right here.
No, I ain't.
This is my M16. So it's a really good gun. It does not shoot.
Where's the camera?
It's just a model.
Oh.
And yeah, that's that gun. And here's my brother's AK-47.
Can't stop saying. Just say AK.
Here's my brother's AK. And yeah, the stock can come off like that. And it can also come back on. Yeah, it does. But it cannot shoot because it is broken. But it's my brother's AK-47. And yes, the mag can come out. It is an airsoft. So yeah, that is that gun. Next up, we got the copy of a 30-30 caliber. Back in the old days, the cowboys used to use these guns in real life, and it's the copy of the 30-30 caliber. And yeah, I really like it because it does not shoot. It shoots metal BBs. So if you cock it. So here's the cock. So. And you have to pump it. Ten times. But I only do a couple because yeah, and that is that gun. Yeah, copy of the 30-30. So that is that gun, guys. And the next gun is my AK-47, my AK Tactical. This ain't a 47, it's the Tactical, but y'all can call it that if y'all want. I'm going to be loading it up and shoot it. So, as you can see, I got some BBs. So we're gonna load it up. So yeah. See this bag? Yep. And it has a laser right here on the side of it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the laser is on it now. And I turned it off. And my stock can come off too. But my stock is kind of broken, so I don't like taking it off that much. Yeah. So that is my toy guns, guys. And I like it. What I like about my gun is it has that smooth hand grip and the tactical hand grip up here. Yep, I really like them. So I'm going to go through all of them. And so we have the M16. My brother's AK-47. The copy of the 30-30 caliber. And my tactical AK. So yeah, that's all my guns, guys, and hope you like this video, and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye bye.